something weird happened to the housing market. Prices went up, then rates went up, and somehow everything got more expensive at the same time. And if you've been trying to buy a house recently, you probably felt it. That moment where you look at the numbers and something just doesn't add up because this isn't normal. At least it didn't used to be. So what actually happened? Why did everything change so fast? For years, money was cheap, really cheap. Interest rates were low, which made borrowing feel easy. So people bought more houses. Investors jumped in. Demand exploded. And when demand rises, prices follow. Then everything changed. Interest rates started going up, fast. And suddenly, borrowing wasn't cheap anymore. Monthly payments jumped, even if house prices didn't. And that's where things got confusing, because normally, higher rates should slow prices down. But this time, prices didn't drop the way people expected. And here's why. People who locked in low rates didn't want to sell, because selling means losing that low rate. So fewer homes entered the market, and low supply kept prices high. So now we have a weird situation. High prices, high rates, and fewer options. And this is where it starts to feel frustrating for a lot of people. Because no matter which direction you look, it feels like something is working against you. If you wait, prices might not drop the way you expect. If you buy now, the payments feel heavier than they should. And if you try to make sense of it all, the numbers just don't line up the way they used to. And that's because the market isn't behaving the way people are used to. It's not following the old patterns anymore. It's reacting to a mix of things happening at the same time: interest rates, supply issues, long-term demand, and people holding on to what they already have. So instead of a clear direction, what you get is pressure from multiple sides. And that creates hesitation. People delay decisions. Buyers wait. Sellers hold back. And the market just stays stuck in this strange middle ground. But here's the important part. This doesn't mean the system is broken. It just means the rules have changed. And once you understand that, your perspective starts to shift. You stop expecting things to go back to normal and start thinking about how to navigate what's happening now. Because the people who adapt to the new conditions are the ones who make better decisions going forward.